How to find drafts on Facebook app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find Facebook drafts. Now go ahead and open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now go ahead and create your post by tapping on what's on your mind. Here, if you create a certain post and instead of posting, just try to go back, and here you'll find the option to save as draft, to discard post, or continue editing. Now just tap on save as draft and your video or your post or your photo will be saved as draft. You can see here I've got notification saying your draft has been saved. If you want to go back to your old draft, what you want to do is go through the similar process of creating a new draft. Just create a new draft here easily. Just go back after creating a post and go to save as draft, tap on it, and here you'll get the notification saying your draft has been saved. Now tap on it and all your drafts will appear here. Now remember, your drafts will be discarded after 3 days. So if you wanna keep a draft on Facebook, it will only last for 3 days, and after that it will be deleted automatically. Just tap on the draft if you wanna open it, or you can see 3 dots option on the right hand side of your screen of your draft. Tap on it and you'll get the option to open draft and discard draft. Now to delete your draft, just tap on discard draft and delete it. And to open draft, you can just tap on it. And next you can post it. So this way you can find drafts on Facebook app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.